tropical evergreen forest, when there is heavy rainfall throughout the year, then that area, the trees do not shed their leaves all together. That means some shade when they become yellow or when they become ripe, they shed their leaves, but other part of the branches are green in color, so they do not shade their leaf all together. That is why they are called evergreen trees. And what happens, they have thick branches with leaves all around, and this thick canopies are closely spaced. The trees are very close to each other and they do not allow the sunlight to enter into the forest. Even in the daytime it looks dark. And the main type of trees grown in this area is hardwood tree like rosewood, ebony and mahogany. Remember the names, that is hardwood. What are the names of the hardwood? That is rosewood, ebony and mahogany. Have you heard of the anaconda, the largest snake? This is also found in this tropical rainforest. Okay, because it is very dark and thick forest where it can get its shelter or it can have its house. It can be in safety over there. Next is the tropical deciduous forest. What is this deciduous forest? Where from the name comes deciduous? As we heard that evergreen, why it is evergreen? Because altogether all the leaves do not shed their leaves at all. Okay, so in tropical deciduous forest, or it is also called monsoon forest, they are found especially in the northern Australia, in Central America. What happens, it experiences seasonal changes, and trees shed their leaves in dry season. Okay, why do they shed their leaves? To conserve water, because if there are leaves, there is a process of transpiration. The water is emitted from the leaves, from the stomata of the tree's leaves, and there is less of water content in the tree. So to avoid that, to conserve water, what happens, it shades its leaf in the dry seasons or in the summer seasons. Okay, here also we find some hardwood trees like the sal, the teak, the neem and the sisam. And hardwood trees are extremely useful for making furniture. Why is it useful? Hardwood? Hardwood is needed for making, what is it necessary for? For furniture, transport and constructional material. Construction means even when the construction of a house is going on, we make doors, windows which are made up of wood, isn't it? So furniture means the decorative things like the sofa set or the cot or the TV set table on which you keep your TV, those are all called the furniture. So we get some particular type of animals also in this region. They are the tigers, lions, elephants, langurs. Langurs means a type of monkey, and monkeys are common animal in this region. So this was about the tropical deciduous forest. Okay, next comes the temperate evergreen. What is the type of forest? That is the temperate evergreen forest, and it is located in the mid latitude of the coastal regions of the countries, and they are found along the eastern margin of the continent. That means eastern side of every continent. It may be in Southeast Asia, USA, South China, Southeast Brazil. They comprise both the hardwood and the softwood trees. So in the previous one, tropical and the evergreen forest, we saw that there is only the growth of hardwood trees. But in the temperate evergreen forest, we see there is a growth of both hard as well as softwood trees like oak, pine and eucalyptus. And in this area, what type of animals do we see? Same thing, that is elephants, lions, tigers, isn't it? And similarly, we have a temperate deciduous forest. Well, as we go towards the higher latitude, that means away from the equator, the more the temperate deciduous forests are found. Okay, what is found? More temperate deciduous forests are found. As I said, deciduous means they shed their leaves in the which season? Dry season. Okay, and they are found in parts of USA, China, New Zealand, Chile, and are also found in the coastal region of Western Europe. And as I said, deciduous means they shed their leaves in the dry season. And the yes, no, dry means the summer season. Okay, dry means the summer season when there is no rainfall. That is the dry season. And the common trees found in these days are, what is it? What is found? Oak, ash, beech, these are the trees found, and the animals are deer, foxes, wolves, and animals commonly found in this area, and even birds. Am I audible?